CaityB back in the building with yet another video, and sorry about the angle. I have family here at the moment, and my uncle has been watching TV in the sitting room, so I guess I'm gonna be doing this Mochi review in my room, guys. So yeah, so excuse the angle, hold up a second. So me and my mum went to the city yesterday to pick up her Tims from the Timberland store. We just like looked around, and all of a sudden we saw the Mochi or Mochi ice cream thing. We didn't get the ice cream, we tried it there because it was gonna melt if we were gonna come home, because we're gonna train home. But so we got the fresh ones that won't melt, and that comes in this cute little packaging. Right, so the flavors I got was, I know one of them was matcha, or matcha, whatever you guys call it, durian. I got taro, got mixed berries, I got Oreo, and I think, oh yeah, and I got strawberry. So I thought the Oreo one was a bit weird, so me and mum tried the matcha and the strawberry ice cream mochi, which was not too bad. The matcha I felt tasted good. I'm not really into strawberry, but you know what I mean. Yeah, we've been trying to look for it because we saw like a couple mochi mukbangs a while back, but we just couldn't find them here. And then we finally went to City Emporium, Melbourne Emporium, and we found these. There were just a lot of Asians there lining up at Adidas because they released Yeezys there, so I'm just like, what? Yeah, so the one I'm trying right now is the Oreo one. Hopefully you guys can see it. So it's like it looks like a mini pork bun, that's what it looks like. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take some bites to review it. I'm just gonna let you guys know what I think. Oh boy. I feel like you can't really taste it. It's not too sweet, it's not too much. I really like the Oreo one, guys. I'm gonna put that aside for my mom, maybe. So I'm gonna try the mixed berries one, guys. That was really nice. But out of 10, it's not like something you can easily rate because it's like those F flavors. Not bad, not bad. Oh wow. It's got the blueberries and the strawberry. It's not bad. I'm not really into berries unless they're like milkshakes. Different. Oh, I don't think I've ever tried durian before. It's really not bad. Damn. Maybe the mixed berries over the Oreo for sure. This one. Sorry if you guys can hear my family in the back. So these were basically $4.50 each. It's not bad. Oh, this is what that smell was. Oh, it smells like doughboy. But then you can smell the durian like it's not right. Oh. It smells. Bro, oh, I don't know if durian's supposed to smell like that, but I'm not liking it. Sorry guys, I don't think I can eat this one. It's the smell. I can't do it. Ugh, we'll see if I can come back to it. That's what that smell was. So I'm gonna try the taro one. Hopefully it tastes alright. It sort of tastes like whapapa, sort of like a salmon bread biscuit thingy. It's got cream in it too. But I see the cream. Yeah, that tastes like whapapa. Oh, I can't get over the smell of that durian though. Smells like rotten something. How y'all Asians eat these things? This is the strawberry one, but I'm not a big fan of strawberries. This isn't too bad. Because it's been in the fridge, it's pretty frozen. I don't know, all the seams taste very plain. In all honesty, I probably wouldn't really get it again. Maybe if I see it, I'm like, oh, why not? Let's just waste some money. I'll probably get it, but it's not really for me. So now I'm gonna try the matcha one. This is not that nice. Oh, oh, oh. It's not very nice because I don't know. As my mum says, you probably have to have an acquired taste to these kind of things. But my favorites were the Oreo and the mixed berries. But the only one I think I would really eat is the Oreo. Oh guys, but don't take my advice for it or anything, like, but just try things, guys. I'm glad I tried it. At least I know now like what I like. There are a lot of different flavors. The milk tea one they had the pearls, it wasn't ready yet, so we're just like, oh, we gotta head home, so we'll just get whatever's there. But yeah guys, it's not bad. Out of 10, I'm not really a fan of it. Maybe 3. Definitely a 3. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Don't hate me if you guys like mochi ice cream, mochi guys, please. But yeah, not bad guys. Okay, see you guys in the next video. And yeah, I got more videos coming up, guys. I got a vlog that I have with my mom. I got a toasty mukbang coming up, so stay tuned for the next video. And till fa say fuwa.